Okay, for those who need help, this is number 70. I had a request for how do you do it. So if you watched the video on Friday, I believe, we learned that when you take a ratio like side to side, or I guess the book calls it the linear scale factor, same thing, but take that, and I'm reducing it just to make it easier. So basically this is a ratio of 1 to 3. So this one is 3 times as much as that. But that's only a side length. For area, you have to square that. So the actual area ratio is 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So whatever this area is of this smaller one, all we have to do is multiply it by 9, and we'll have the area of the bigger one. Okay, so we're going to do that next. Now, to actually find the area, you do what you did last week. Again, if you've been watching the videos, we had to draw in the apothem, it's called. It's kind of like a height. And then we had to find that angle right there so that we could use sine, cos, or tangent. And the 10 split into a 5. So that is actually a 5. All the other sides are still 10s though. So. All right, if you remember this, 720 divided by 6, every angle is 120. That 120 just got split, so it is 60 degrees. So I'm gonna put 60 degrees here, and we wanna find this apothem it's called. So remember we did the tangent, 60 equals opposite over adjacent, and I'm doing the tan of 60. It's about 1.73. And I'm going to cross multiply. So that 1.73 is just going to get multiplied by 5. See that? Okay, so I'm going to go times 5. So my apothem is about 8.66. So the area formula, if you remember, is the area is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. And the apothem is this thing we found, this line, 8.66. So all I have to do is plug that into the formula. So about 8.7, 8.66, whatever you want to use. Perimeter is not 10, it's 10 plus 10 plus 10, all the sides. So that is 10 times 6 or 60. And then we can do the math from there. I'm just plugging it into a calculator. You can do this real easily at home, and you get about 259.8. So the area of the big one is going to be 9 times that. So remember I was saying if it's times 3, the ratio is 1 to 3. It's actually 9 for the area. So I'm just going to do 9 times 259.8, and I'll have the area of the big one. Okay, so go ahead and do that. The original area was this. You guys can go ahead and multiply that times 9. Okay, good luck.